10 reasons everyone should drink warm turmeric water every morning. Turmeric, also known as curcuma longa, is a very common herb. Often known as the queen of spices, its main characteristics are a peppery aroma, strong flavor, and golden color. People from all over the world use this herb in their kitchen. It is also loaded with many healthy nutrients such as protein, dietary fiber, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, potassium, calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Because of all these factors, turmeric is often used to treat a wide variety of health problems. 1. Prevents cancer. Turmeric can help prevent prostate cancer, stop the growth of existing prostate cancer, and even destroy cancer cells. Several researchers have found that the active components in turmeric make it one of the best protectors against radiation-induced tumors. 2. Relieves arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric are great for the treatment of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. In addition, the antioxidant property of turmeric destroys free radicals in the body that damage the body's cells. It has been found that those suffering from rheumatoid arthritis who consume turmeric on a regular basis experience much relief from mild to moderate joint pain as well as inflammation of the joints. 3. Immunity booster. Turmeric contains a substance known as lipopolysaccharide, which helps stimulate the body's immune system. Its antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal agents also help strengthen the immune system. A strong immune system decreases the chances of colds, flu, and cough. 4. Control diabetes. Turmeric can be used in the treatment of diabetes by helping to moderate insulin levels. It also improves glucose control and increases the effect of medications used to treat diabetes. Another significant benefit is the effectiveness of turmeric in helping to reduce insulin resistance, which can prevent the onset of type 2 diabetes. 5. Heals the wound. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent and can be used as an effective disinfectant. If you have a cut or burn, you can spray turmeric powder into the affected area to speed up the healing process. 6. Reduce cholesterol level. Research has shown that simply using turmeric as a food condiment can lower serum cholesterol levels. It is a known fact that high cholesterol can lead to other serious health problems. Maintaining an adequate level of cholesterol can prevent many cardiovascular diseases. 7. Weight control. Turmeric powder can be very useful in maintaining an ideal weight. A component present in turmeric helps to increase the flow of bile, an important component in the breakdown of fat in the diet. Those who wish to lose weight or treat obesity and other associated diseases can benefit from having a teaspoon of turmeric powder with each meal. 8. Prevent Alzheimer's disease. It is suspected that inflammation of the brain is a major cause of cognitive disorders such as Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric supports the general health of the brain, helping in eliminating plaque buildup in the brain and improving oxygen flow. This can also prevent or slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease. 9. Prevents liver disease. Turmeric is a kind of natural liver detoxifier. The liver detoxifies the blood through the production of enzymes, and turmeric increases the production of these vital enzymes. These vital enzymes break down and reduce toxins in the body. Turmeric is also believed to invigorate and improve blood circulation. All of these factors support good liver health. 10. 9. Improves digestion. Many key components in turmeric stimulate the gallbladder to produce bile, which then improves digestion and reduces the symptoms of swelling and gas. In addition, turmeric is useful in the treatment of most forms of inflammatory bowel disease, including ulcerative colitis. To get the optimum benefits of turmeric water, try this recipe. Ingredients: 8 ounces of filtered water, ½ teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Preparation: heat the water just below the boiling point. Put turmeric in a cup. Slowly stir warm water until thoroughly mixed.